Hey everybody, and welcome back. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we're going to do part 2 at the machine of this amazing embroidery library design. I only made one boo-boo on it and I forgot to change the bobbin so the back looks nice, but that's okay. I like it. So in the first video we took the designs from PE Design and we put it on McDreamy, and then we took the design and sent it to our scan and cut. Now, if you have PT Design 10, you can send it directly from the software to your cutter and it'll pull out that part and it's perfect. So let's get started, why don't we? The first thing you need, this is a 4x4 hoop and I've loaded it up with some wash away stabilizer. So not the plasticky kind, I don't really care for that. This stuff is better and it washes away just as well, but it's a little stronger. So let's go to our machine. Let's go on our machine and we are ready to start. So the first thing that's going to stitch out is our die line. So we want that to stitch, then we know where to put everything. So I already have my green thread loaded up. Let's get started. Okay, so all I'm going to do is peel off my GudyStic. This is the back part of it. Now I do have a little bit off, but I think that's going to be okay. I'm not worried about it. If you don't have GudyStic, you can just use a little bit of spray or maybe even some iron-on, and that would work. So let's get it nicely in the line. And because I'm not doing any cutting, I'm not even going to take the hoop off of the machine. And the GudyStic held it nice and close to the shape. I'm very happy with that. That worked out much better than my first one. So once you have that done, press it down. Thank you, GudyStic. And we're ready to go on to the next part. Okay, so once the stitching is done, we're going to add the back part to it. Now, again, I have the GudyStic on it, so this is going to make it so easy to apply. There we go. GudyStic works best. It's easier to pull it off if you bend it a little bit and then pull it. Now, I have a little cut out of there. That's something that I did beforehand. So let's take our hoop off, flip it over. We have nice lines to work with, and the GudyStic is just GudySticky enough. Let's match it up and just gently smooth it down. That looks perfect to me. Absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to hold it like this and press it. We don't want to loosen anything, but it's not going anywhere. So we're going to do the last step now, which is going to make a nice satin stitch around, and at the same time it's going to hold on, make the back hold on. So let's go. And there we have it. Look at our beautiful design. Now, because we pre-cut everything, look at how perfect that is cut out. So take this out of the hoop And this is water soluble stabilizer, so you just need a little bit of water around and you will have a beautiful design. So thanks everyone for watching. We will keep working with cut files. Maybe the next one, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do the same thing or similar thing with the Cricut Maker and SVGs, and see are using their die lines and see how that works out. Let me know in the comments if that's what you want. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys have fun with your colors and in the hoop embroidery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.